YouNow is the best company that no one has heard of yet. We are in pre-launch and we currently have a deeply discounted special going on so that you can position yourself to be the head of this movement instead of the tail of this movement. Nonetheless, it is a movement and it will move with or without you. Now, all your life, I'm sure you wanted to be somebody, and I'm sure you wanted to go somewhere. The problem is you've been waking up and you have not been paying attention. And you probably come to realize that you should have been a bit more specific when it comes to who you are, what you wanted to be, and what the outcome of your life is going to be. YouNow helps you to be what you don't see. YouNow helps you build a life instead of just building a resume. YouNow helps you learn how to live off the freedom of your own resources. Think about it. How much are you worth? How much do you treat yourself like you're worth? What's the difference between the CEO and the janitor? Just the information that they obtain and the choices that they make. Now, here's what can happen to your life if you don't start obtaining the proper knowledge, if you don't start making the right choices, if you don't set goals, if you don't gain control, if you don't start building up the only thing you have to offer to this world, which is you, then it will be very easy for you to let life detour you into making a living instead of designing a life. And we all have that choice. Make a living or design a life. Why do you want to design a life? Because it is easy, so simple, to let life trap you by the economic necessity of existence rather than substance. So if you want to wake up and you want to be somebody and you want to go somewhere, then you better wake up and join YouNow.